what got me into Sassoon was I needed more. I was in New Jersey, and I needed more. I wanted to travel the world. I really did. That's really what I wanted to do. That was the thing that sent me to New York City to like be an assistant and start all over again. I literally got rid of my clientele and started all over again. I became a pretty good educator and a pretty good public speaker, and Sassoon started to recognize that, and they started sending me on, shows all over the world. So literally, my scissors have taken me globally, all over the world, a couple of times over. Sometimes you got to take a lot of steps back to move forward, and that's what I did. From shooting photography, I got to see editorial feeling now, which hair that looks great in a magazine. So I've learned a lot from that. Once you start to understand the techniques behind something, you can do everything. When you learn to reverse engineer everything, you have like the magic bullet. I love my Type K 5.5s. I like one scissor really, and I have a lot of them backed up, so this way they're always sharp. I like to use one scissor, and I like a scissor that's not too small and not too big. I feel that if it's too small, it's not gonna work for my hands because my hands are pretty big. And if it's too large, I kind of feel for me that I'm not as precise. It's a little bit more linear. It's a little more chunky. And I like a medium-sized blade so I can cut more curves. I feel like with a medium-sized blade, you have a little bit more control. I think it's important for any stylist to see what's comfortable for them and what works for them. Again, this hairdressing industry is a big industry, and it's not only about what I like. It's important to see what works for you.